The old woman sat by the fire, a steaming cup in her hand, the scent of rosemary filling the air. Her skin glowed with an ageless beauty, her mind sharp as ever. "What's your secret?" her granddaughter asked, watching her sip the golden brew. The woman smiled, setting the cup down. "Rosemary tea," she said. "It's been my companion for years. It heals, it protects, and it keeps me young. For centuries. Rosemary has been more than just a kitchen herb, it's been a sacred remedy, a drink of wisdom." But what makes this tea so powerful? Let's explore the incredible benefits of drinking rosemary tea. Boosts memory and brain health. Rosemary has long been associated with memory enhancement, and science backs this up. It contains compounds like rosmarinic acid and carnosic acid, which improve blood circulation to the brain. This helps sharpen focus, improve recall, and reduce brain fog. Studies even suggest that rosemary can slow cognitive decline, making it an excellent drink for students and the elderly alike. If you want a sharper mind, rosemary tea is your natural ally. Supports digestion and gut health. A warm cup of rosemary tea can work wonders for your digestive system. It stimulates the production of digestive enzymes, helping your body break down food more efficiently. If you struggle with bloating, gas, or indigestion, this tea can offer relief. Its antibacterial properties also combat harmful gut bacteria, promoting a healthier microbiome. A happy gut leads to better overall health, and rosemary tea makes that possible. Strengthens the immune system. Packed with antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds, rosemary tea helps the body fight off infections. It neutralizes free radicals that cause cell damage, keeping your immune system strong. Drinking this tea regularly may reduce the frequency of colds and other illnesses. It also has antimicrobial properties, making it a natural way to defend against harmful bacteria and viruses. In a world full of germs, rosemary tea is a simple way to stay protected. Improves heart health. Your heart works tirelessly, and rosemary tea helps keep it in top shape. The tea's natural compounds support healthy circulation, reducing the risk of blood clots. It may also help lower bad cholesterol while increasing good cholesterol levels. Additionally, its anti-inflammatory effects can help reduce the risk of heart disease. A cup a day can be a small but powerful step toward a healthier heart. Reduces stress and enhances mood. Rosemary tea doesn't just heal the body, it soothes the mind. The herb contains compounds that help reduce cortisol levels, the stress hormone. Drinking it can promote relaxation, ease anxiety, and even improve sleep quality. The aromatic scent alone has been shown to have mood-lifting effects. If you've had a rough day, a cup of rosemary tea can be the perfect way to unwind. Supports liver detoxification. Your liver is responsible for filtering toxins from your body, and rosemary tea can give it the support it needs. It stimulates liver enzymes that help detoxify the body, making it an excellent drink for cleansing. Regular consumption may help reduce liver inflammation and promote overall liver function. Whether you've indulged in too much processed food or alcohol, rosemary tea can help restore balance. A healthier liver means a healthier you. Promotes hair growth and healthy skin. Drinking rosemary tea doesn't just benefit you internally, it also works wonders for your hair and skin. Rosemary is known to stimulate hair follicles, promoting hair growth and reducing dandruff. Its anti-inflammatory properties help with skin conditions like acne and eczema. The antioxidants in rosemary tea protect against premature aging, keeping your skin youthful and radiant. Beauty, after all, starts from within. The final sip. As the old woman finished her tea, she smiled at her granddaughter. Nature always provides what we need, she said. We just have to listen. Rosemary tea isn't just a drink. It's a timeless remedy, a daily ritual of healing. Whether you're seeking better memory, digestion, immunity, or simply a moment of peace, this tea has something for everyone. So why not brew a cup today? Experience the magic yourself. And if you enjoyed learning about this powerful herb, don't forget to subscribe for more health secrets and natural remedies.